Using a contactless debit card is a simple and convenient way to make payments. To use the card, ensure that the terminal or payment point that you are at supports contactless transactions. So when you're ready to pay, simply hold your card close to the contactless symbol on the payment terminal. You don't need to insert or swipe the card. The terminal will automatically detect your card and process the payment. All right, now, there is no need to enter a PIN for small purchases. Though some systems may ask for, they may ask for it after a certain number of consecutive contactless payments, or if the transaction amount exceeds a specific limit. After the payment is successfully processed, you will receive a confirmation, either via a receipt or a digital notification, depending on the method of payment. Now, contactless payments are secure, as they use encryption to protect your card details, and the transaction only takes a few seconds to complete. If you lose your card or suspect fraudulent activity, you should contact your bank immediately to report it and have the card blocked. Overall, contactless payments provide a fast, efficient way to shop without the need for physical interaction, reducing contact and streamlining everyday transactions. All right, let me know if this helped.